Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. If someone is feeling depressed, iPhone has a very good built-in solution to improve your mood. There are some very cool background relaxing sounds available in iPhone which you can listen to, and I am pretty sure they will improve your mood. To access those sounds, you just have to go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, and then scroll down to Visual, Audio and Visual. Here you can see the background sounds option. Switch it on. These sounds works best with the AirPods or any other good phones. And that's it for the video today. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.